How to get the QR code for my UK immigration ID check via the app. And this is quite very easy. All you have to do at very first is once you have been approved or you already have gotten your any kinds of visa that you will enter the country of UK, you should have a gov.uk account in which you'll have access to the available visas that you applied for. So all you just have to do is just to log in to your mygov.uk account and then just head over directly to UK visas and immigration, and in there you should have access to all informations or documents you need, especially when it comes to checkings on checkpoints on UK. So to download your QR code, just again access your UK visas and immigration document, and in there you should receive a PDF file or just simply a QR code. Just have a screenshot or maybe save it to your phone gallery and you're good to go. And that's pretty much it. That's how you get a QR code for my UK immigration ID check via the app.